Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send payment to someone through PayPal. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select business tools. Now scroll down and you guys can see this option right here called send payments. Now select on this. Now select this get started button. Now here you just need to enter the name or username or email address or mobile number of that particular person to whom you want to send your payment or money. So after writing it down, you just need to select on this next button right here, and then you just need to enter the amount that you want to send and then select on OK button. And that's how you guys can send payments to anyone through PayPal in this world. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.